interrupted by the Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug DLL pop-up. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll show you the professional recovery for your system packages. To start the walkthrough for Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug, the specialized debug build of the Microsoft C++ Standard Library for Visual Studio 2003. It provides localized diagnostic monitoring for standard template library, STL containers and algorithms. Its presence indicates the host application is an unoptimized development build. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. The recommended fix is a reinstall of Visual C++ 2003 Debug Runtime. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them to replace the file. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Microsoft Visual C++ Standard Library 71D.Debug workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.